Welcome, I'm your TOEFL instructor, and today we're mastering the Build a Sentence task. We will analyze context clues and practice organizing scrambled words into grammatically perfect sentences to boost your writing score. Let's get started. If you want to keep improving your English skills, be sure to subscribe to myTOEFL for more daily lessons. Let's achieve your dream score together. The Career Center provides advice for graduating students. The context sentence explains how the Career Center helps its students. We can expect the next sentence to provide a specific example of the advice given to these graduating students. Now, let's arrange our scrambled words to form the correct sentence. To build this sentence, first we place the subject they, then we add the verb offer. Next, we drag the noun workshops, then we add the preposition on to indicate the topic. After that, we use how to introduce the method. Then we need the infinitive marker to, then the base verb write. Finally, we place the noun resumes to complete the object. Marco Polo traveled across Asia to reach China. To reach China. This sentence mentions that Marco Polo traveled across Asia on a long journey. Logically, the following sentence will tell us about the records or observations he made during this trip. Now, let's arrange our scrambled words to form the correct sentence. Start by placing the subject he, then we add the verb described. Next, we use the article the, then we drag the adjective silk, then we place the noun road, then we add the preposition in, then the article a, then we place the adjective famous, and finally, we add the noun book. Lake Superior is the largest freshwater lake globally. The context identifies Lake Superior as a massive freshwater lake. We should expect the next sentence to describe its location or physical relationship with neighboring countries. Now, let's arrange our scrambled words to form the correct sentence. First, we place the subject pronoun it, then we add the verb shares. Next, we place the article a, then the noun border, then we use the preposition with. After that, we add the proper noun Canada, then we use the conjunction and, then the article the, then the adjective united. Finally, we add the noun states. The campus shuttle runs every 15 minutes. This sentence focuses on the campus shuttle and its frequent schedule. It is likely that the following sentence will explain how people use this transportation to get around. Now, let's arrange our scrambled words to form the correct sentence. First, we place the subject students, then we add the verb ride. Next, we drag the article the, then we place the noun bus, then we add the infinitive marker to, followed by the verb travel, then we use the preposition between, then we add the adjective distant, and finally, the noun buildings. Leonardo da Vinci painted the famous Mona Lisa. The sentence introduces the Mona Lisa as a masterpiece by da Vinci. We should anticipate information regarding where this famous painting is currently kept or who goes to see it. Now, let's arrange our scrambled words to form the correct sentence. To start, we place the adjective many, then we add the noun people, then the verb visit. Next, we use the article the. Then we drag the proper noun Louvre, then we place the noun museum, then we add the infinitive to, then the verb see. Finally, we add the pronoun it. The Mediterranean Sea connects Europe and Africa. We are told that this sea connects two continents. This implies that the next sentence will describe the maritime traffic or activities that occur in these waters. Now, let's arrange our scrambled words to form the correct sentence. First, we place thousands, then we add the preposition of, then the adjective cargo, then the noun ships, then we use the verb cross. Next, we drag the demonstrative these, then the adjective blue, then the noun waters, and finally, the adverb daily. The Student Health Center offers free flu shots. The prompt mentions that the health center provides flu shots for students. We can expect the next sentence to outline the requirements or identification needed to receive the service. Now, let's arrange our scrambled words to form the correct sentence. First, we place the subject you, then we add the modal should, then the verb bring, next, the possessive your, then we drag the adjective university, then the noun I'd, then the noun card, then we add the preposition for. Finally, we place the noun service. The Berlin Wall fell in November 1989. B. As historical fact notes when the Berlin Wall was removed. The following sentence will likely explain the significant political change that resulted from this event. Now, let's arrange our scrambled words to form the correct sentence. First, we place the demonstrative this, then the noun event, then we add the verb led, then the preposition to. Next, we use the article the, then we place the noun reunification, then we add the preposition of, then the article the. Finally, the noun country. To succeed in the build a sentence task, always begin by identifying the subject and main verb to secure the sentence's core meaning. Use logical context clues from the previous sentence to determine the most likely relationship between the scrambled words. Finally, ensure that articles and prepositions are placed correctly to maintain grammatical accuracy.